Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, I got a good one for you. How many of you have gardens? How many of you have fruit trees? Well, the deer come from this field, they come over here and they say, hey, smorgasbord. Well, the rabbit and deer repellent didn't really do anything. But I asked Google many things, because Google actually owns YouTube. They don't own me. Not yet. I got a ways to go. So, I got an apple tree here, and an apple tree here, and a couple blueberry bushes down here. I want to protect it naturally. How am I going to do it? Show you. Heather. It's pretty. I'm going to be planting some of those over here. I have... Now, with the heather, the deer don't like the smell. They won't go near it. Lantana. Add some color. They don't like the prickly leaves. They won't go near it. Now, the best one of them all. Lavender. The purple. Elegance purple lavender. Lavender, mice won't go near. Rabbits won't go near. And the deer flat out refuse to go near it. So I'm going to be planting these things. I got, the ground's been wet, so hopefully my little shovels here, I can dig next to these trees and next to my berry bushes, and I'm going to be planting these things. I'm not going to show you, me digging this. And I also got two of these to go next to my peach tree, which is on the other side. I won't show you that. But I want to tell you, there's plants that you can put in the garden. Now, there is a whole list. Marigolds. Now, I'm still waiting for my shipment from Gurney's. UPS, they're 3 days late. Sometimes it's just best to get the plant. Now, I got these from Lowe's. They were on sale. They're like $2, or no, 2 for 10. I actually got these because of my discount. I got these for $4.50 a piece, and these are normally $8. So, we're going to add some color on this side. I just have to remember when I'm out here mowing, don't run these things over. So, let me get started, and I'll bring you back, and I'll show you everything planted. So stay tuned. Alright, took me a while. One tip, don't throw your old pots away. Even a $4.50 a piece, if you go to buy this plain at a big box store, probably pay $10 for that. So I got, 5, 6, 7, I got 9 plants that I put in the ground. I put 2 lavender on the other side of my peach tree, because peaches are getting pretty big. And I got a lantana and a lavender around apple tree number 1. I got another pair, the same, over here, apple tree number 2. That's the youngest tree. That's the one that the deer were nibbling on the branches. So I can't have that. Then I put 1 lavender, 1 heather in the area of the 1 blueberry bush. And I got a heather over here next to the other blueberry bush, which is about this far apart, which is fine because the smell is so strong. A deer come up to any of these things, nose up, back in the field. Let's hope. Now, as far as squirrels and rabbits, I don't think they'll come near this stuff. They don't like it. They don't like, I mean, when I had a garden here before and I had marigolds, I ran the marigolds along with everything. I never had any bugs. One thing I had was the hail from the sky, level it down. But that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.